So in this video I am gonna remake one of Neptune's edit in mobile.
壊れるから何また作ったらっていう
I have already marked the beats and imported the clips, and in this app, you can automatically mark all the beats using the auto beat function. So let's time remap the clips first. Go to speed, time remap, go to the first keyframe and adjust the frame by dragging this thing here. Now add a keyframe and adjust its time frame, then place it on the beat. After that, go to the graph editor and make a curve, or just use the presets. If you are an After Effects user, you will understand how convenient this is. Blur is updating itself in After Effects way. After time remapping, interpolate the clip to make it more smoother. Now I'll speed up this part, as I'm gonna do the same thing in the rest of the clips. And after spending 5 minutes on effects, this is the final result.
壊れるから何また作ったらっていう